Hey guys, Captain Mark here with Reelin Charters down here in wonderful Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. It's rare when four captains get a chance to come together and go fishing on one particular day on one boat. Did have a chance to do that. I want to give a shout out to Captain Zach Lynham, Captain Brandon Thies, and Captain Michael Perry of Papa Bear Charters there. And I will give a big shout out to Captain Brandon. He put together something totally off the cuff. We weren't planning on doing it. It was pretty cool to watch him put it together, and it was even better to see it produced. So watch this video to the end because it's pretty cool. Out here on the Papa Bear, about 7:45. Got about 4 blackfin in the boat already. So we quit tuna fishing this morning, came on out a little deeper, dropped down a rod, see if we could get a sword, and sure enough, about 20 minutes in, we're hooked up. Been on this fish for about an hour. See what it does.
I got the hot numbers though. Literally, I just freaking looked at a chart and like, I want to go. If I'm ever going to go daytiming on my boat, I'm going to go right here. Wait till you see what we got right on the end of this bottle dropping rig on this beeliner reel here.
Got the beeliner reel, the kingfish downrigger,
Tanacom. I thought you were just supposed to bottom fish with Tanacom. Well, we were bottom fishing. We were just in 1700 feet of water.
Metallica too. Metallica commercial. On the ad it says not a short fishing reel.
Oh really?
We gotta send them.
Probably go find out here sooner or later why.
Finally got an orange line, which we spliced in from one of our bottom fishing rods. Right out of that. This is the one we took it out of right there.
That's right. RedneckTrailerTrashRUs.com.
We making it happen, boy.